Hello everyone, greeting from Gemicades. Gemicade Labs is research and skill development training institute. We offer courses on embedded system, IoT, robotics and PCB design. We are going to conduct free online training program for 15 days on embedded systems and IoT using NodeMCU. Gemicade Labs plan to transfer knowledge through online training program on embedded systems, IoT networks, PCB designing and web designing to develop students' knowledge and improve career and job potential for core companies. We conducted courses on electronics and embedded systems in many colleges. Now we desire to transfer knowledge through online for developing student skills. Technologies used are Arduino IDE, Proteus 8.9 Professional, Frizzing, Linux software, KiCad and Eagle, and MQTT Box. In this training process, first we train students on embedded systems, and after gaining the good knowledge on embedded, they will be trained on IoT, which is Internet of Things. In this video, we are going to know about NodeMCU and also about what is electronics, what is embedded system, features and specifications of NodeMCU, pin configuration for NodeMCU, how to program NodeMCU, and some of the real-time applications. Let us know about electronics. It is the study of electronic circuits and their applications and systems involving the flow of electrons in a medium and in semiconductors. There are two categories in which electronic system falls. One is communication system and another one is control system. Coming to embedded system, it is a combination of both hardware and software. Embedded systems are used in many applications. Many electronic devices like mobiles, printers, TV, cameras, game machines, cars, washing machines, air conditioners, etc. It mainly consists of two elements. One is embedded system hardware and another one is embedded system software. Embedded system requires hardware platform to run with any electronic system. The hardware of embedded system contain microprocessor or microcontroller. It also contain elements like memory, input-output interface, display and user interface. The difference between microprocessor and microcontroller are microcontroller have ROM, RAM, serial and parallel interface, interrupt in single chip only, and they are used in control-oriented applications. Coming to microprocessor, they do not contain on-chip input-output ports, timers, memory, serial and parallel interface, and they are used in microcomputer systems. Coming to embedded system software, it is written to perform particular task. Now let us know about NodeMCU. It is a development board which has inbuilt Wi-Fi and 2.4 GHz antenna and used for doing IoT projects. It also has ESP8266 microcontroller unit. Coming to specifications of NodeMCU ESP8266, it has 10 silica 32-bit RISC CPU Xtensor LX106 microcontroller. It operates at 3.3 volts, which is mandatory. It has 16 digital input-output pins, 1 analog input pin, 4 MB of flash memory, 64 KB of RAM, and have UART SPI interface and 80 MHz of clock speed. Now let us look at pin configuration of NodeMCU. It has GPIO pins, ADC pin, enable and reset pin, ground pins, VIN for providing external power supply. Coming to pin description, at VIN pin we can provide supply to power on the board, and also by using micro USB port we can provide power supply, and 3v3 pin provides 3 volts output, and it can be used to power up some sensor units connected to the microcontroller. And it has serial data SD pin, serial clock CLK pin, chip select CS pin, master in slave out MISO pin, master out slave in MOSI pin used for SPI communication, which is used to transfer signals between two microcontrollers, and has two control pins. One is enable pin and reset pin, which is used to reset the microcontroller. It has two reserve pins, which are RSV pins, which are used for by microcontroller, and have one analog pin used in analog communication, and have 16 GPIO pins used as input or output pin based on the programming. GPIO 1, 3, 13, 15 pins are used for universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter communication. We can easily program our Node MCU with Arduino IDE. It requires only Arduino IDE, USB cable and Node MCU board. Coming to features, they are used for prototyping of IoT devices and projects requiring Wi-Fi functionalities. Some of the real-time applications where we use Node MCU is in security alarms, ESP lamps for cars, serial monitors and IoT home automations. In this, we are going to see about two Node MCU applications. One is LED blinking and another one is LCD display. The components required for LED blinking are battery, LED, resistor. Battery is used to supply electric power. LED is a device used to emit light when electric current passes through it. Resistor is a device which is used to reduce the current flow. We are going to use Proteus software, which is simulation software used to interface the electric devices and check the output. Coming to the second application, it is displaying words using LCD display. The required components for this application is Arduino and LCD display. LCD is a device used for displaying data. There are different sizes of LCD displays. In that we are going to use 16x2 LCD display. It has 8 data pins which are connected to microcontroller to send 8-bit data. Enable pin is connected to microcontroller for data acknowledgement. Read-write pin is used to read and write data. Normally it is grounded to write data to LCD. RS pin is connected to microcontroller to shift between command or data register. VS pin is connected to system ground. VDD pin is used to power up LCD with plus 5 volts. The software used is Proteus, which is a simulation software used to interface the electronic devices and check the output. After successful completion of training, we'll get e-certificate who are watching our training videos continuously. Coming to the benefits of training course, students can able to design and implement IoT projects and will gain good practical knowledge and self-development to become entrepreneur. Please click below link to join our training program. If you have any doubts, contact with the details provided. Thank you.